Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving deep into something that might just reshape how we think about the future of artificial intelligence. It's not just about progress anymore, it's about the challenges that lie ahead. Buckle up as we explore the setbacks facing OpenAI's next big model, Orion, and what this means for all of us. So first off, let's talk about performance plateaus in AI development. You see, for a while now, we have been spoiled with advancements that just keep getting better. Think from GPT-3 to GPT-4. Massive leaps. But now, it seems we may be hitting a wall. Reports indicate that the improvements in OpenAI's Orion model are shockingly small compared to its predecessor, GPT-4. This raises the question, are we reaching the ceiling for how effective these models can get? Now let's get into specifics. Orion was expected to take coding tasks to new heights, yet some insiders suggest it isn't performing as well as hoped, especially in coding. The improvements in other areas might be there, like language tasks, but for coding, not so much. To put it simply, the excitement surrounding Orion is dampened by these insights, and that's a reality check for the AI community. What's going on behind the scenes? One of the main hurdles we face is data scarcity. You might wonder, isn't there an endless supply of data out there? Well, a new report shows that the high-quality text and data we've depended on are dwindling fast. The chatbots we've been training have essentially hoovered up a lot of the good stuff, and finding new quality sources is turning out to be a tougher nut to crack than we anticipated. As we dig deeper, this scarcity is causing more problems. OpenAI has had to start using synthetic data, basically data generated by AI itself, which is a bit like recycling. But how effective is this recycled content? Experts have raised concerns that using too much synthetic data could lead to models that mimic rather than innovate. It's a whole cycle of rehashing rather than breaking new ground. And this situation makes you think, how can we push forward when we're just circling around? So, what does this mean for the future of AI? Michael, a leading expert in the industry, voiced concerns over the financial implications of developing new models. Training and operating these models require a lot of resources and costs are skyrocketing, potentially making it uneconomical. Imagine spending over $100 million to train on a model. That's no small change. This brings us to the reality that not only are we hitting a performance wall, but also a financial one. And then there's the environmental aspect to consider. As data centers ramp up operations to meet demand, they're significantly impacting our carbon footprint. It's a double-edged sword. While we're advancing these powerful technologies, we may be harming our planet in the process. This should really concern all of us, particularly as we face climate change. It's like we're racing towards the future without fully considering the cost. But it's not all doom and gloom. OpenAI is pivoting its strategy to tackle these problems. They're employing a dedicated team to explore new ways to improve AI models after their initial training, which could very well be the fix we need. So, it's a shift from solely focusing on scaling up to rethinking our approach. Collaboration is key here, and efforts to maximize our existing resources and data seem like a smart move. Let's take a moment to reflect on how far we've come. Just a few years ago, AI was still a novelty. Now it's embedded in everything from our smartphones to our homes. And yet, that same progress is what makes the plateauing so jarring for us. What does it say about the journey we have ahead? Are we truly on the verge of artificial general intelligence, or have we hit a point where we need to rethink our path? And let's address the elephant in the room. Investment. Investors want to see continued growth, but with the knowledge that development might slow down, what can they expect? It's a mixed bag. While the hype around AGI continues to bring in millions, the reality is we need to manage our expectations and understand the work going on behind the scenes. Despite the challenges, many industry leaders express cautious optimism. There is hope for innovative breakthroughs, especially as we explore new approaches such as test-time compute. Instead of running with just what's learned from previous data, they're considering generating responses in real time to find the best answer. It might just be the freshness we need to keep the momentum alive. And here's where you, my viewers, come in. I truly want to hear your thoughts on this pressing topic. What do you think about the obstacles AI is facing? Are we on the brink of stagnation? Or do you believe innovation can keep pushing us forward? Let's start building that community here. Your perspectives matter to me. You know, discussing these challenges isn't just academic, it's also exciting and engaging. Think about how AI impacts our day-to-day lives more than ever. It's what makes our world tick, from smart devices to those cute little chatbots helping us out. Let's keep the conversation fun and lively, because that's how we all learn and grow. At the end of the day, let's not forget the bigger picture. AI is changing our lives in incredible ways. The journey we're on with Orion and others is a testament to that potential. It's about shaping a future where technology and humanity coexist harmoniously. And as we face challenges, I believe we can rely on innovation and creativity to lead us forward. Unity within the AI research community could be our strongest asset as we move past these hurdles. By pooling our knowledge and resources, we might just find solutions to the toughest issues. It's all about collaboration, just like in any great innovation journey. The science is complex, but when passionate people come together, magic happens. Remember, the only constant in tech is change. Whether we're facing challenges or celebrating breakthroughs, it's an opportunity for continuous learning. Never underestimate the power of knowledge sharing and community engagement in driving human progress. It's the fuel we all need to advance together in this exciting field. And as we wrap up today's video, I want to thank you for joining our conversation about the current state of AI and what challenges lie ahead. Your support is what drives me to improve the quality of these videos. I truly appreciate your comments and suggestions on topics you'd like to see next. Let's build this community together and keep our discussions going strong. If you found this discussion valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Together, we can explore the ever-evolving world of AI. I can't wait to dive into our next topic as we navigate this fascinating journey in technology. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you in the next one.